Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to buy any cryptocurrency on MoonPay app in 2025. For that, first of all, you need to simply launch your MoonPay application. Then you need to log in into your account if you haven't already. Over here, if you take a look at the option of your home page, you will see only Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana. So you must be wondering whether you can purchase any of the cryptocurrencies on MoonPay or not. So the answer is yes, definitely. MoonPay supports 100 plus cryptocurrencies. So if the cryptocurrency that you are looking for is available in those 100 crypto list on MoonPay, you can definitely purchase it. So here when you tap on the option of buy, you will be landed here on this page where by default Bitcoin as the payment crypto will be selected. So you need to tap on Bitcoin. Then it is going to show you all of the 100 cryptocurrencies which you can basically purchase here on MoonPay. Let's say you are interested in buying XRP. So after selecting XRP, you need to select the amount of USD which you want to spend on purchasing XRP. It is also going to show you the equivalent amount of XRP that you are going to get. For example, let's say for 500 USD, you are going to get 166.8 XRP. So once you have done that, simply press continue here on the bottom. On the next page, you need to simply conclude your payment with the help of the suitable payment method. Once your payment is completed, you are going to get your cryptocurrency here in your MoonPay application. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.